today's episode, I will be showing you how to make a simple stir fry using loofah. Do you want to know how? Stick with it! Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Jolly Kitchen, and my name is Kiet, and today we are going to make a simple recipe that you can do at home. If you don't have time or don't have a lot of time to prepare stuff, today's episode is perfect for you. And the main ingredients for today is the loofah. Yes, it's the same kind of loofah that you use to scrub your back when you shower, or use as a sponge when you wash your dish. In today's episode, we are going to use the baby version of the loofah. So let's jump right into it. Last Sunday, I went to the local market nearby. So I grabbed a couple of baby loofah here from the market. And I was thinking, what can I do with this thing? Loofah is a subtropical vine cucumber family, so various parts of the loofah can be used in the cooking, such as the tipping or this fruit, the baby one. We're going to use the baby loofah, which is very nice, full of fibers and vitamin, and it's semi-vegetarian today. So that's baby loofah is going to be the key ingredient. And then I will also add some of the texture into this dish. You can see here I am coarse chopping the sweet radish. Sweet radish is made from the radish and fermented with the sugar, so it has a slightly sweet flavor. And I'm going to coarse chopping in here and then put in stir fry to add more crunchy texture. And then we are going to move on to the next part. To add some more protein, we'll add a couple of eggs into the dish as well. So I use the garlic today. The garlic helps a lot to bring out the flavor. And I'm going to get ready by heating up my pan here. We are going to start off with the low to medium heat. And this step, I'm going to add a dash of the cooking oil into the hot pan. We're going to start off by fragrance the garlic. The garlic's going to help bring the aromatic into the dish. Just keep an eye on the cooking. So we will not fry until it's like super brown. So we just want a little bit of hint of garlic fries coming out from the steam, and then you know it's ready to go. And then the next part, I'm going to add the sweet radish in here, and then just mix with the garlic here. And then I will start adding some eggs here. And make sure you grease a little bit pan with the cooking oil so it won't stick. Move all the garlic and the radish to the side for now, and just beat them all up like this. So when the eggs start to dry up a little bit, just mix with the rest of the ingredients in the pan there. and then I will start adding the slices loofah that I soak them in the water. The cooking itself, it doesn't take that long. It's probably like 5 to 10 minutes until the loofah gets softened and the colors change a little bit, and then you know it's ready for the next step. And in this part, if you feel like your stir fry is a little bit dry, you can add a dash of water in there, but do not add too much because this is a stir fry dish. The loofah will also release some of the water itself as well. To seasoning, I make it super simple, so adding some of the oyster sauce and then followed by the fish sauce. If you don't like the smells of the fish sauce, you can add some like the salt on top of this. In Thai cooking, I use a lot of fish sauce, so it didn't bother me. I really like the smell of the fish sauce. Close the lid and let it cook for a couple more minutes until it looks exactly like this. So to make sure that you do not overcook the loofah, because otherwise it will become too sloppy. It won't taste so good. So you need to have a little bit of crunchy texture and the color still look a bit like green, just like this. And now it's ready to serve. Alright guys, this is the end result from the cooking today. This is stir-fry loofah with eggs. I hope you like what you see here. Be sure to like and subscribe and to share the content if you think it will be useful to your friends and your family or anyone else. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye now.